Paano ang tamang tulog kapag stressed ka or nag-overthink ka sa gabi? Pag stressed ang utak mo, you need some guidance to slow down. Kasi kung wala kang bedtime routine or ritual, yung brain mo, hindi siya nakakuha ng signal that it's now time to rest. Kasi kung wala kang consistent pre-sleep routine, you cannot trigger the parasympathetic nervous system. Ito yung part ng nervous system mo na nagpaparelax sa'yo. Ano ba ginagawa niyang parasympathetic nervous system? It lowers down your cortisol and induces melatonin so that you can sleep. Kaya kahit 50 minutes lang of an intentional wind-down routine can help prepare your mind to slow down and be ready to sleep. Try mo tong 3-step bedtime routine kung stressed ang utak mo. 10 minutes, light movement, gentle stretching, or pwede ring walking. Step 2, at least 30 minutes, no screen time. Avoid blue light exposure. Huwag ka nang mag-scroll sa phone at wala nang panood ng mga drama. Step 3, do a breathing technique. May dalawa tayong pinost dito sa ating account, so just look for them on our playlist. Bonus step, try a calming drink like mga chamomile tea para makatulong sa body mo to help relax faster.
Ask Dina.